mercy and blessing of Allah. With you, Prof. Dr. Hudai Khalid from Tel Afar University, Iraq, and the President of Nutrosophic Science International Association, Iraqi branch. It's not strange for the Egyptian nation to prominent scientists on the international level like Ahmed Zewail, Majdi Jacob, Farouk Elbaz, and the famous physicist Mustafa Musharrafa, those four contemporary scientists. As an Arabic mathematician, it's with my honor and proudness to see other Egyptian scientists like Prof. Ahmed Salama are tracking their traces. I warmly thank them to choose me as a member in the High Supreme Advisory for the World Federation of the Scientists and Researchers. This is a good opportunity to introduce my warmest congrats for the occasion of launching the new Nutrosophic Knowledge Journal of Modern Science and Arts that will be issued in October 2020. Also, sincere gratefulness goes for Dr. Ahmed Salama for inviting me to the 6th International Conference in the College of Nursing, Bورسعيد University that will be held on 10th September 2020. Finally, it's worthy to mention deserved golden medal that was awarded to esteemed Dr. Ahmed Salama is one of 5 gold medals that would be awarded to 5 eminent scientists around the world were donated from NISIA, Nutrosophic Science International Association Iraqi branch, for his achievement in nutrosophic theory. Thank you. And
Arts and Sciences Division, the University of New Mexico, 705 Gurley Avenue, Gallup, New Mexico, 87301. United States, the 6th of June 2020. Recommendation letter to the Minister of Higher Education in Egypt concerning Dr. Ahmed Salama. From the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, Faculty of Science, Port Said University, Egypt. It is a great pleasure to write about him as the first Arab to have laid the foundations for new mathematics in the field of nutrosophic. He is very talented, and has a high level of knowledge. Displaying some of the achievements of Professor Salama. 1. Research and studies carried out by Dr. Salama laid several foundations for new rules in the fields of mathematics, statistics, computer science and information systems through nutrosophic concepts, and he participated in various fields and research applications. I have collaborated with him on high-level research articles and new research projects for nutrosophic applications in computer science, information systems, nursing sciences, medicine, and engineering. 2. Share with me the first proposal submitted to the Library of Congress 2013 to issue a scientific journal titled Nutrosophic Sets and Systems. It entered all international indicators 2020. 3. He developed and shared with me the first book on nutrosophic crisp set theory in 2015, as well as many new scientific applications in many fields. My participation with an Arab team contributed to translating many books, and many of his papers are available at vixra.org. 4. He obtained many memberships and awards from international institutions because of his scientific contribution and the spread of science, and he is the owner of the first scientific channel Nutrosophic TV to help science students worldwide. 5. Professor Salama cooperates with many scientists worldwide, including the International Work Team, and me, and among the members of the Nutrosophic Science International Association. He was chosen as the president of the Arab countries by a decision from the main center in USA. Arts and Sciences Division, the University of New Mexico, 705 Gurley Avenue, Gallup, United States. Professor Florentin Smerandishe, Ph.D., Postdoc Mathematics Department, the University of New Mexico, Gurley Avenue, Gallup, New Mexico, 87301, USA.
International reports about Professor Dr. Ahmed Salama. First USA International reports New Mexico University, Cyprus University, CBI, Nutrosophic Science International Association, International Journal of Nutrosophic Sets and Systems, International Journal of Nutrosophic Sciences. Second Portugal International report UNESCO Chair, Intangible Heritage, Evora University. Third United Kingdom Arabs Group Director, United Kingdom. Fourthly India International report, Indian Universities. Fifth Russia International report, International Mariinskaya, Moscow. Sixthly, Korea International Report, Arab International Institutions, Syrian Researchers and Syrian Universities, Iraq, Nutrosophic Science International Association, Asian Science Council, Arab Creators Council, Ministry of Education in Saudi Arabia. Press reports and TV programs, Palestine TV, Satellite TV.
Welcome all the viewers wherever you are. I am Professor Prince of Cyprus International University, USA, but based in Malawi, which is international center for Africa, Europe, and Asian regions. At this hour, I just want to share with you a few things about global academic revolution. As you know, historically, the global revolution took place in Middle East and Africa, which was called the civilization. This is the area where academics started. And then from there, it switched off on to Europe, where we learn about the Renaissance, which is defined as the rebirth of knowledge in Europe. But for this academic revolution to take place, there was a need that some men were used. There were men who were dressed up in academic attires. In the same way, at this hour, is now global academic revolution. It's no longer only Africa and Middle East and Europe, but elsewhere on earth. This is an hour whereby global academic revolution must be experienced elsewhere. But for this global academic revolution to be experienced, there has to be men and women raised up who are embedded with academic attire, academic substances, so that they can help people globally to understand what is taking place, to know what to do, and know how to grow in academics. At this time, I just want to introduce a man who is being used and whose influence has touched all over the world. This man is called Professor Ahmed Salama. He is an Egyptian. This man, by the name Professor Ahmed Salama, has done his academics starting from diploma, bachelor's, master's, up to doctoral. He majored much in computer sciences and mathematics. He studied in Egypt in universities such as Canal, also Tanta. And then after graduation, the man majored and started operating. His influence touched worldwide. This man has authored almost 150 articles as well as books. These books touches computer science, information, mathematics, statistics, topology, and also science researches. The man is globally known, and he works hand in hand with great men in this world, such as Professor Ahmed, who is the chief lecturer at New Mexico University in Mexico. Professor Ahmed Salama, he is also the member of different associations, such as Neurotrophic Scientific Association, which is headed by Professor Ahmed in Mexico. He is also the member of Auditorium Computer Science Applications of USA. Professor Ahmed Salama is also the author of different books such as Sociology of Theory, Mathematics. This man, Ahmed Salama, because of his global influence, he has been employed by different universities on earth. He has worked with these universities, such as Port-Said University in Egypt, Suez Canal, American Eagles, New Mexico universities, and some universities which cannot be mentioned here because they are numerous. This man is the first Arab scientist who has used the neurotrophic concept on computer science, mathematics, topology, and statistics. He is the figure in scientific researches now because of his global influence. He was to be honored with the highest award in computer science and mathematics. It is for this reason that he took a flight from Egypt to attend international graduation in Malawi, whereby he was conferred professorship in mathematics and computer science. Now I am introducing him so that you see and view what took place when he was here in Malawi, when the professorship was being conferred to him. Thank you so much as you watch what happened here in Malawi. Thank you.